How about a well taken care of, adult owned and driven 2006 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, and best off, clean Carfax, low miles, and very, very nicely equipped. All right, first off, like I said, 06, little over 32,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, not indicating any accidents, confirms miles. Going around this car, I have not noticed any sort of paint work, anything like that on it. Take a look at this front nose cone. You can see for yourself the lack of any sort of road rash, if you will, rock chips, dings, nicks, scratches. And you'll be able to look this over from every angle, and the still pictures also. Underside, interior, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Now, as far as options packages on this vet, 3LT trim package on it, so nicely equipped. This car was probably in excess of 60,000, brand new. Also has a Z51 package to it, so you know, suspension, a little bit of change there with the shocks. Rotors are going to be drilled rotors, a little bit different braking system. Power top on this one. I'll go through some of the options too that are going to be with that 3LT package and above. So you have power top on this one. It is a black cloth top, beautiful shape, rear glass window, rear defrost. Also have nav on this. You have dual power seats, heated seats, climate control, heads-up display, driver's information center, memory seats, power windows, of course, power locks. It does have the 6-speed transmission, as you can also see, center console, and then of course, again, power mirrors, all the goodies on this one. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Riding on the polished wheels, Continental Extreme Contact rubber. Has had a little bit of an exhaust change to it, as you can see. We have Corsa exhaust. It is nothing over the top. We'll start it up, let you hear it. Just a little bit throatier sound. We do see the exhaust change on these from time to time. Nothing crazy, nothing wild. And again, I mean, you've seen up and down the passenger side. Take a look up and down the driver's side. If there is a little chip, they are few and far in between. Nothing really stands out on this one. And again, clean Carfax. I've not noticed any paint work. Of course, Velocity yellow. There's a little over 1,100 of these made in this color in a convertible, so you're not going to see a lot of these in 06 running around out there in this color. All right. Of course, 06, they switched to the 3-spoke wheel. From 05, it had a 4-spoke wheel in it. I'm going to go ahead and start it up so we can get rid of that dinger here a second. All right, real quick, over on the door here, here's your memory seating. Of course, power mirrors, power locks, power window. There's your miles, a little over 32,000, 32,115. Heads-up display controls, driver's information center controls here. All gauges working, no warning indicators, any sort of lights on. Again, nav radio to it. Dual climate control, heated seats. Dash, everything else in great shape. And again, power top on this one. We'll check out that engine bay too. Of course, you can have the LS2 6-liter. Do have a custom center armrest to match the yellow, Velocity yellow in this case. All right, slip around to the back. Again, you can see no crazy loud exhaust, just a nice little rumble to it. A little deeper, throatier sound than you're gonna get from the stock. All right, let me pop that hood. I can do it on one of these pretty easy with one hand.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look at the hood liner. You can tell this car has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather, which is about impossible with these. There's that LS2 6-liter. Does not appear to be any modifications up here as far as cold air intake, anything like that going on. See the mounting bracket for the license plate also. Nicely done. Good sounding, smooth running engine. All right, I'm going to pause this one time here, and I'm going to shut it off, close up the hood, and get that top up for you. Remember, it is a power top. This car is extremely nicely loaded. So hang on 1 second. Let's pop that top up and check what kind of condition that's in. Pretty sure it's just as nice as the rest of this car. Got the power top raised. Like I said, black cloth top. Great shape. Rear glass window. As you can see, a rear to fog. And again, 06 with a power top. Didn't see that on all of them. No doubt about that. And again, free of rips, tears, holes. I mean, yeah, you can see a little wrinkles or what have you from it being folded up. You know how many times you have the top up on one of these. It's going to keep you dry or in the shade. Nice shape. Like the whole car. I mean, what do you expect for a little over 30,000 mile 06 Corvette? Remember, 3LT trim package, clean Carfax, E51 package on it also. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.